Now the next question here says the angle of elevation of a plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. Now elevation of angle from point A, the plane is B, the elevation is equal to 60 degrees. After 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. So the plane moved over here and the angle of elevation was 30 degrees now. If the plane is flying horizontally at a distance or at a height of 1500 root 3 meters, find the speed of the plane. So how do we start here is, we let P be the initial position of the plane and Q be the position after 15 seconds. Okay, now we know that this plane is flying horizontally and angle PMA is equal to angle PNA, that is 90 degrees. So therefore, we have angle PMA and angle QNA equal to 90 degrees. These are both right angles. Now in triangle APM, what do we have is, in triangle APM, what do we need to find out? First of all, we need to find out the speed of the plane. For that, we need to find out how much distance did it cover, because we know the time, right? We have the time, distance upon time is equal to speed. So if we can find out the distance which the plane covered, we will be able to find out the speed. So the distance that the plane covered is equal to PQ or MN. Am I right? These both distances are the same. So to find out MN, what do we do is, we find out AM and we find out AN from triangles APM and AQN. Now if we are able to find out both these distances, we can subtract them to get MN, right? Now what do we know? We know that PM and NQ is equal to, both are equal to 1500 root 3 meters, right? So we have PM is equal to NQ, NQ or QN is equal to 1500 root 3 meters. Do you understand why? Because it is given that the plane is flying horizontally and it is flying at a height of 1500 root 3 meters. So this is the height of the plane, that is Pn, and after 15 seconds it is equal to Qn, right? So Pn is equal to Qn is equal to 1500 root 3 meters. Now in triangle APM, we have AM and we have to find out AM and we know PM. So what is the distance between the perpendicular and the base? That is tan theta. So for over here, theta is equal to 60 degrees. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Tan 60 degrees is equal to PM upon AM. Am I right? Now from here, tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3, which is equal to PM. We already know the value of PM, that is equal to 1500 root 3 upon AM. We need to find out AM. So this is AM. Am I right? Now from here, sorry, AM, not AB. From here we get AM equal to 1500 root 3 upon root 3, or AM is equal to 1500 meters. So now we know the value of AM. Am I right? Next, what do we have is, in triangle AQN, tan of 30 degrees in triangle AQN. It is good to mention the triangle before mentioning the relation or the tan of the angles or the sine of the angles. So in triangle AQN, we have tan of 30 degrees is equal to perpendicular upon the base, that is Qn upon Na. Perpendicular Qn upon Na, that is the base. So from here, tan of 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3, which is equal to Qn, we know, is equal to 1500 root 3. So 1500 root 3 upon, we have to find out the value of NA or AN. So from here we get NA is equal to 1500 root 3 into root 3. Okay, correct, simple. From here we get NA is equal to 1500 into 3, that is equal to 4500 meters. Now we know the distance NA here to here, and we know the distance AM. So how do we find out the distance MN? So the distance covered by the plane is equal to MN is equal to AN minus AM. Am I right? Distance MN is equal to AN minus AM. So from here MN is equal to, what is the value of AN? That is 4500 meters, minus the value of AM is equal to 1500 meters. So the value MN is equal to 3000 meters. Now we know the value of MN from here. Now what do we need to do is that we need to find out the speed. Now how much is the speed? The speed is equal to distance upon time. I am continuing the question over here on this side. We know that distance is equal to 3000 meters. Distance is equal to 3000 meters. Time is equal to 15 seconds. So the speed is equal to distance upon time, that is equal to 3000 upon 15, or this is equal to 200 meters per second. So the speed by which the plane is moving is equal to 200 meters per second.